Kate. Holly. There you go. You're turning all around. Oh, okay. You having fun, sweetie? Kind of wobbling around a little. This little nut bucket right here. Yeah, yeah. Bounce, bounce. Woohoo! Ollie, leave her hand alone. So sweet. What do you think? Oh. Yeah. Oh man. Where are you going? Phew. There you go, sweetie. Ollie, will you leave her alone, please? Ollie, please. No. No. Ella Kate. Say hi, Ella Kate. Say hi. You're trying to get that camera, aren't you? Yeah. Hi, sweetie. You having fun? Yeah, what are you saying? You can't see this, folks, but she has a hold of the camera. It's going to the mouth. Yeah. Hi, little one. Yeah, hi. You having fun? Ollie's eating your hand, isn't he? He sure is. Woohoo! Yeah. It's like you're on your own little amusement ride, sweetie. Yeah, you're at the amusement park right now in your very own house. Ollie. Ollie, you're obsessed with her. Found your wires. Ella Kate, you found your wires. Yeah. Sweetie, if you put your arm over here, he'll leave you alone. Yeah. Kind of. Now he's licking your ears. Well, Kate, one day you'll look at this and realize how silly your dog was. How much he liked you. Ollie. Okay.